Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today is actually Sunday. I'm starting my vlog on Sunday. I look like someone that just rolled out of bed. But I'm currently in St. Anne. You guys would have watched my Choco vlog on Wednesday, and that Choco vlog would have happened yesterday, which is Saturday. So I went to Choco, had a great time. It was such a good time. Like you guys don't understand. It was so good. The experiences were amazing. Like it was just such a good time. And I conquered so many fears on that trip. Like we did zip lining, horseback riding, and the catamaran party. It was like a party catamaran, and then you also do snorkeling, like power snorkeling. But the power snorkeling aspect takes place first because they don't want you to drink and snorkel, which, you know, is for your safety. But I conquered so many fears, guys. The zip lining thing, like at first I didn't realize how high it was, but when you actually get up there, because you basically climb up the first part, you climb up into like a tree. I mean, you guys would have seen the vlog, so you saw like what it all looks like. But when you're up there, it is so high, but from the ground it doesn't look as high. And I was just like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna do this. Every single time I jumped off, I just closed my eyes and went for it, because I told myself, you know, at the end of the day, everybody got across safely, you know, and nobody's freaking out, you know, like everybody's just doing it like a champ, so I can do it too. And I did it, and I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself for doing it. Conquered a fear. I can tick it off my bucket list and say I've ziplined, tick. And also the snorkeling. I have like swum in the ocean and stuff before, but I do fear the ocean. Like I have a fear of the ocean, right? Because I just feel like I can't see what's down there and something is just gonna come and eat me. Okay, that's what I think. But with the power snorkeling, I decided to go out with like one of the guides because I didn't want to do it by myself. I did not want to be out there like just chilling, you know. So I said I want to do the guided ones, so at least I'm with like a group of people. Because they give you the option to do it by yourself, or you get your own little power snorkel machine thing, and then it brings you out there and you have a life jacket on and everything. But I just decided to do the guided thing, did it by myself, and it was great. I loved it. But yeah, I don't know why I'm telling you guys all of this, because you guys would have watched the Choco vlog. You guys would have watched the Choco vlog, so I don't know why I'm telling you guys all of this. Like, but it was just such a great experience. The fact that I did the snorkeling and I actually kept my head under the water and looked, and it was beautiful, by the way. Oh my god, it was so pretty. Guys, I'm just happy I did it. And shout out to the Stars for a great deal. You guys know that the snorkeling thing that I did was through the Stars. But I will also link the Choco link below in the description box. So if you guys should go and watch my Choco vlog, but if you haven't, you can go and watch it. I'm gonna put the card here so you guys can see it. You can just click that card and go watch it, but don't watch it now. Watch it like after you finish watching this vlog, okay? And I will also link the Choco website down below, and I will I will link the tour that we did. So if you're interested in doing that tour, you can click the link down in my bio and you'll see it. But yeah, I definitely plan on doing more Choco stuff next year, because when I tell you guys, it was so fun. The only thing is that I wish we had more time to kind of just relax on property. But based on how the tours are set up, you're basically doing one tour after the other because of the time that it takes to do each one. So we started our first tour like after 12, and then we finished at 5. But if you come early though, you get to kind of get some time in between. We were there early, but they kind of, I don't know, I think they were behind on the first tour, but it was such a good time. And I definitely plan on doing Choco again. Maybe, I don't know if I'll do the same location, but I can still do the same location because I have other activities, so I might. But if not, you can go to a different property, because there are many different properties that you can go to. But enough about Chaka, because I don't know why I'm still talking about it in the next vlog. But we are at our Airbnb right now. I'm gonna show you guys a little tour of the place so you guys can see where we're staying, because we're actually getting ready to leave and head back to Kingston. So I'm gonna get ready, and then after I'm finished getting ready, I'm gonna show you guys the Airbnb. You're welcome. Show you guys the apartment that we're staying at. It's called I don't remember, Phoenix I think, or something like that, but it's a really nice apartment in St. Anne. It's in Runaway Bay. Actually, me and my friends are saying that we think we're going to you know, like make this our regular place. Like if we're staying in like St. Anne or like Mobe, need an apartment in this place at Airbnb, this is where we're gonna stay, because it's really nice. And there is Chantal. I'm like, and there is Chantal. But this is the apartment. It's really nice, it's very modern. It makes you feel like you're back in Kingston. This feels like a Kingston apartment. It's giving Kingston, so it's really nice. And they have real fur and they're so fancy. And this is the inside. We are on the first floor, so we haven't really explored the place. I don't think it has any amenities based on what we saw on Airbnb. I think it's just a straight oh, okay, so they use an access code. And then, okay, so the thing with the apartment now that we need to talk about, on Airbnb, I booked this place because the outside caught my eye, right? But then when you look at the pictures on the inside, it didn't know justice. And I was just like, I don't really like this place, but we're gonna book it because of the price. Because I think we booked it for, how much did we book it for? I think it's like $117 for the night, I think. But yeah, so we decided to get it just because of the price, and it looked decent, you know. But when we got here, we were like, oh my god, this place looked nice, because half of the pictures on Airbnb I don't even think shows the space, because I don't remember if there was even like a picture of the kitchen. But the kitchen is so nice. It matches the vibe of the outside of the apartment. This is me uploading my weekly vlog that y'all are gonna see 2 videos away. And this is the living room. I mean, the decor isn't the best, but the space is very nice. It's giving Jamaican household right here. But it does have like, it's a decent apartment. It's really nice. The space is nice. It's 2 bedrooms. I actually thought it was 1 bedroom, so we were pleasantly surprised when we got here, and it was actually 2 bedrooms. So it has a washer and a dryer, so if you want to wash some clothes you can do that. Bakana, are you ready? Can I vlog you? Okay. And then it has, this is the bathroom. Both the bathrooms look almost the same. This bathroom is actually bigger. This one's bigger, and I like the little shelf situation in here. But it's very nice. But you guys can understand, like, for the price, we weren't expecting it to be so nice, you know? And then this is Bakana's room. You can turn the lights on you. and she is packing up to go. Oh, you're ironing? Oh, girl. I love the dedication.
Yeah.
But it has a really nice storage and everything. Oh, this is your outfit that you're gonna take a picture in?
Yeah.
I was saying I was gonna take a picture because everybody already knows this dress. Like, this dress has blessed my feet more times than one. And I just threw this dress on because I actually have a Friendsgiving dinner today.
Oh,
And this is what I'm gonna wear. Yeah, it's late, but it's when everybody could get together.
Yeah.
So I decided to throw this dress on because I couldn't bother to figure out the outfit. So this is my outfit for Friendsgiving. I'm trying to find the light for y'all. Where's the light? What door is this? Oh, it's a closet. I think this is, yeah, this is the light. There's a whole closet in here. I didn't even know this. And there was more, guys, there was towels and... Oh, there's no rag in here. But it had, no, I didn't see it. But there's more towels in here. It's big. This is a very big closet. Because it's like a closet within a closet. I never did see all of this. I feel cheated. And then this is our room. All the rooms have a TV in it, which I think is really nice, including the living room. Just to show you how new this place is. The sticker is still on TV, child. And then we have a nice balcony out here, which is really cute. I haven't really been out here, but it's cute. It's cute or whatever. Very cute. It's giving. It actually has like nice green space out here. I didn't realize that, but that's nice. Me again. And then last but not least, the bathroom. As I said, the bathroom on the other side is bigger, which is kind of weird because I think this room is meant to be the master, but this bathroom is actually smaller, I think. But you guys have already seen this bathroom ish. So this is it. Very nice apartment. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I'm gonna turn off the lights since we're leaving. Since we're leaving, just turning off everything. But yes, that's the apartment, and now we're getting ready to head back to Kingston. So I will see you on the flip side. So I'm finally at Friendsgiving, and
You mean Friendsgiving, girl?
it's Friendsgiving.
That's what she's giving.
Friendsgiving with all of my
Oh,
besties. No, she'll come in and come Ashley. Say hi to the vlog.
Okay.
Ashley, say hi to the vlog. You know, this is like one of my #1 supporters on YouTube.
Subscribe.
Period. Period. Hey, Carla. Hey, girl. And then the birthday girl just walked in. You know, the birthday girl just walked in. The birthday girl just walked in.
Damn.
Are your birthday?
No, we're not coming from the photo shoot.
Oh,
The 90s photo shoot.
that's so cute. So you know, the hairstylist and bare things.
Yeah.
You know, tell me. We'll wait for hair.
And
Hairstylist.
the 90s photo shoot.
You did all the hair and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, creative director.
Yeah,
It looks so
see my
cute.
pics tomorrow.
That's so cute. But yes, we did. Oh, since we're on, you say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Vlog.
And then Lauren and Marsha over there. That is in our Zoom meeting. So yes. What?
Met them fire the girl.
No, but we just got our food. We got appetizers. I got the wonton soup. Oh wait, we need a mini for you. We need a mini for you. I got wonton soup. Kai got wonton soup too. Period.
Everything for me.
And then we ordered broccoli, shrimp fried rice, vegetable fried rice, shrimp in ginger scallion. Ooh. And we just, what's this now?
There's a chicken onion thingy. Spring roll in final reach. Oh chicken. Oh my god. Vegetable. So that's one for her as well.
Oh, vegetable spring roll?
Thank you. And just chicken.
Okay. Yes, and we still have stuff left to come out?
Thank
Okay.
you. I thought it was 4. Yeah. All the vegetables for such a vegetarian.
Expensive filling, miss. I'm over you guys.
Yeah.
It's not. No, I'm not posting it with. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for friends.
Right.
I'm thankful that we can do this.
Yeah.
But don't like, no, no, we can put this price in there because y'all are always canceling. Y'all are the hardest of bitches to get together.
Let me tell you why. Welcome to my channel.
Card, YouTube. Yeah, talk now. I don't want the people that zoom in and take a thing.
Hello, food. So I ordered hello food on 5 o'clock, minutes to 5, right? They call me at 7. Miss, were you there far enough?
Just so?
Some say, sir, so what does that do with me? Miss, they're not even to put it in my zone. Some say, sir, so what you want to do? You can't cancel it. Cancel what? After when we wait till 7 o'clock and everything more for close, then when you want to come to me, comes out boy far. So I'm just carry my food from here.
Hello, food is cancelled.
The taxi man just did that already.
Let's say,
Come talk
no, what
he
is
call
but just him come back and say, alright, miss, I'm on my way. I say, oh, I say,
Yeah, I forget what that means.
the taxi man stopping at the middle of the road and ask me, oh, me never tell him see at the end of the road me live. Oh, me I got no say him no say at the end of the road. Everybody more take hours right now. I don't have problem.
We're at crew now. We're going to find out if we can actually get in. Oh. We're going to find out if we can actually get in because usually them full and only take reservations like on a Sunday. So I got test for luck.
Some people just leave.
Guys.
They can't maybe take for them place.
Can y'all sing again, please? Thanks. Really? Can y'all sing again, please? Thank you.
because we are sisters. We stand together. We made something, make up for our big family. We don't work at the same.
Oh shit, come out of the road.
Good morning. So it is Monday. I am at my dad's house and I'm currently warming up some leftovers from yesterday's Friendsgiving. We had Friendsgiving late, by the way, so we had to kind of wait until everybody was available to meet up, which is why we ended up doing it so late. But that's fine. It was a good evening yesterday, a pretty good evening. Yeah, I'm just warming up like some leftovers, which is like fried rice and some ginger scallion, shrimp and ginger scallion, which is like one of my favorite. So yeah, I feel warming it up on the stove top, but I'm gonna get into some work right now. I kind of started already, but I need to go on my laptop and kind of just go through my schedule for the day, make sure that everything is in order, and I should be going on the road with my dad today to get something for my van. I have mentioned before that I am working on my van on my channel. I've mentioned it before that I'm working on the van, but we're finally getting into it. So I'm gonna buy a clutch kit for the van, and when I buy it today, my dad should be able to start working on it this week, and then it should be driving by January, and then in January we can kind of start putting it on the road, kind of feel it out, see what needs to change. I mean, eventually we're going to change out everything on the van because it's a very old van, so we're going to be changing out everything. Hold on, yeah, we're gonna be changing everything else on the van like gradually, but for right now the focus is really just changing the clutch kit, have it driving, feel it out, see what needs to be changed immediately, do all of that, put some tires on it, spray it, and then work on the interior. So we have a long way to go before I'm driving it. I know my dad's gonna be driving it probably just to kind of feel it out, because he has to drive it to know if there's any problems, which it probably will have because it's been sitting down. So I'm gonna be spending a lot of money on it over the next year, so that's definitely part of my project for next year. That's why I wanted to get my room out of the way as well, because I know I had my van to work on, and it's my goal to have it running up and running so that I have a working vehicle next year, early next year. So yeah, that's that update. So I'm gonna bring you guys on the road with me when my dad come gets me a little later. I'm gonna call him shortly to let him know that I'm up and ask him what time he wants to go to the place to get the parts for the van. But yeah, I'm so tired and I feel like I have a hangover, which is strange because I had like one drink yesterday evening at crew, which you guys would have seen. That's all I had to drink, just that margarita. And in the morning I didn't drink anything, so all I had was a margarita. And I drank a lot on Saturday, so I feel like today it's just the hangover from Saturday catching up to me, because I was not hungover yesterday at all, and now I wake up and I have a headache, and I'm just like, I did not drink anything yesterday. But anyways, I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna get into my day in here. Oh, and I'm also gonna be editing my trucker vlog for this Wednesday. Home, I want to show you guys my juices that I got. I'm gonna do a juice cleanse for a week. This is my juices for the week. I'll also be eating fruits in between, but I'm gonna have 3 juice days, 4 juice days, and then some days where I drink juices and eat as well. So this is it. Hey y'all, so earlier I was telling you guys about the juices that I got for the cleanse. So basically my friend hooked me up with this nutritionist guy, and I just got like a bunch of juices and stuff to start a cleanse. I started it today, and basically what happens is that I do 3 days straight juicing, and then the other days I cut my portion sizes. I eat 5 times a day, cut my portion sizes. I eat specific things only, as well as incorporating like juices and stuff, and I'm also not consuming carbs at all. So since this morning, you guys might notice I'm stuffy. Since this morning I woke up with my allergies bothering me. I'm not sure if it's dust related or the food that I ate last night, because I had Indian last night, but I don't remember if what I ordered had cream in it, heavy cream or anything like that. It's a possibility. Look at our neighbor. Yeah, so I don't know if that's the cause, or you know, if it's like maybe a little dust from my dad's place. I don't know, but my allergies is killing me. My allergies hasn't acted up like this in a long time, like very, very long time. And it's not even like allergy season, is it? It's allergy season? Okay, never mind. It's allergy season. Okay, but I haven't gotten sick like this in a long time. Like, and I know it's my allergies. I know somebody's gonna comment below and be like, "Oh my God, it's COVID." It's not COVID. I've had COVID, and I also have lived with my allergies all my life. I know when you know when it's your allergies, like really, like you know when it's your allergies. Like my nose is running like a pipe. I'm stuffy. I was sneezing a lot this morning, like sneezing constantly. No, I'm not sneezing as much, but my nose is runny, literally a pipe. Like I have to just stuff the tissue in my nose because it don't make sense taking it out, because once I go like this, my nose just runs like it's like water coming out of my nose. And then my throat is kind of getting a little like uncomfortable, but I definitely know it's my allergies. So I took Zyrtec this morning. I didn't feel like it was working strong enough, so I took 2 Panadols like about half an hour ago. Before mom came home, I was planning on taking a nap, like finishing up some work and taking a nap, and then maybe getting up a little bit later tonight and finish my work that I have to do. But she decided that we're going to the supermarket. Well, she decided she's going to the supermarket, and I tagged along because I need to go too, especially because I need to get things for my juice cleanse. But yeah, after I get back, I think I'm gonna take an early nap, or at least try to, because I don't think that usually allergy medications don't work well unless you sleep. So especially the Zyrtec, like things like that, you have to sleep. If you don't sleep after you take them, it just not as effective. So I want to just take a nap, but then it's probably not even a good idea because it's late. But it is what it is, because I don't feel comfortable at all. But we're going to the supermarket. Everybody's looking at me all crazy. So I'm gonna go. The guy that I do the cleanse with told me to get this Chinese cleansing tea, like detox tea, so I'm looking for it if they have it. I'm looking if it's here. I feel like I've seen it here before, but I'm not sure. Ooh, I think it'll be right here. This is like some slim tea thing. I'm wondering if this is the one he was talking about. Or is it the detox? I think this is it. Because I don't see the other one. I'm gonna get this. I cannot believe this is how Vlogmas is going for me. Vlogmas just started and I'm sick. Like, I hate it here. I hate it here.
And I'm also doing a juice cleanse. Like, why am I sick while I'm doing a juice cleanse? That's not good. But I ain't gonna stop. So I even have my fan like on the lowest, and I feel cold. Feel a little chilly. Have my blanket and everything. I slept under my blanket all of last night with my fan at that speed, and I was very comfortable. I was not hot. That just shows you how my body temperature is off. But I'm drinking my green juice. I can't breathe through my nose. Completely stuffed. I don't know which one I hate worse, the stuffy nose or my nose running like a pipe. Like, I really don't know. I already start feeling hungry, so I'm hoping that I don't feel like too hungry after this. I hope. If you're wondering what it tastes like grass. It tastes like grass, okay? You're drinking grass. That's what it tastes like. It's terrible. But at least you know that it's good for you, you know? Because he put like a lot of stuff in there. And the good thing is that I can hardly taste it because I'm stuffy. So, good thing. I know it tastes like grass because I had one yesterday. That's how I know. But I have so much work to do today. I'm stressed out because I was to edit my vlog that comes out today on the first day of Vlogmas from Sunday, but I was so tired on Sunday, and like every day after that I've just had really late nights where I've been just up working and I just haven't had the time to edit. So I'm gonna try to, by the way, I know I look terrible. Cut me some slack, I'm sick, but I can't even breathe. Hold on. But yeah, like right now, what was I even gonna say? Oh, I have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna try to finish everything by like 1 o'clock so I can edit my vlog and then have it out by hopefully 3-4 o'clock today. It's a really good vlog, and I also have some content to edit for Instagram. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. And this is the real side of like being a content creator. Like, this is me being real with you. Like, I'm sick. All I want to do is take a nap, but I have to work because I have nobody else to do my work for me. It's not like when you work a 9 to 5 and you can call out sick and have somebody like help with your desk for a while, you know? Like, I don't have that privilege. I really don't have that privilege. So it's just me. And even though I really want to go back in bed and take a nap, I have to work. And even though after I finish working, I want to take a nap, I gotta edit a video and I gotta work. You know, it's work for me, and it's a brand content. It's a sponsored video, and my content that I need to edit for Instagram is also sponsored. And I told him I would get it out today. And I really do want to get it out today, you know? So let's just hope I do. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I can't breathe and I need to finish this. So I'll see y'all. I don't know. This vlog is just gonna be so bad because I'm sick. So I had to jump on here and refilm this. I'm actually in the process of editing this vlog. It's going out today. And I had to jump and re-edit this. I mean, refilm this because I filmed this already. But first of all, I'm a lot better. I was really down for one day and I slept a lot during that day, which was the last clip that you guys just saw. That was on Thursday. I think that was yesterday. No, that wasn't yesterday. That was Wednesday, because that's the day that I was talking about putting out Chucka, right? And Chucka was supposed to come out on the first day of Vlogmas, but the upload speed on YouTube was really bad. Other YouTubers were telling me that they had a really bad experience on Wednesday, so I feel like YouTube was just under pressure. So that vlog actually came out yesterday, so you guys would have seen that. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna put a card right here so you guys can jump and go watch that. but I'm really just popping on back on here to talk about the juice cleanse. As I said, I feel a lot better now. Let me show you guys what I took. Oh, this is what I took. Histol has been in my life for as long as I can know, right? I think there was another product before Histol that had the same kind of effect. I don't remember what it was, but this is my ride or die. My mom got me Panadol Sinus, and which are the tablets in like the big box, and she also gave me this. I took the Panadols on Wednesday. When you saw me Wednesday, I think that's the day she got them for me. I took the Panadol, didn't feel that much better. Started on this, and this has cleared me up really, really fast. And this is always my allergy ride or die. Like, this really works. As it said on the box, fast, effective, very much so. So I haven't even taken, like, I just when I went for this box to show you guys, I just took some, and it's like after 4, like 4:30, and I'm just taking this. So that just goes to show how much better I feel and how well I don't really need this. Because sometimes when I start getting better, sometimes I stop taking the meds even though it's not recommended, but sometimes I just feel like, well, when I was younger and I used to live on meds for my allergies, I used to stop taking them after a while because I just felt like, my body must have been tired of it. Even antibiotics, like, oh my god, like, guys, my allergies used to kill me when I was younger. Like, I think it's also because I went to school somewhere where there was a lot of trees, and they had a lot of puis, and puis were always blooming. I had a pui outside my house, used to have that. That's cut down now, so that's no longer affecting my allergies now. And I also went to college in a forested area, so I used to die. But now my allergies don't affect me as much anymore, and I'm grateful. But it did really lick me for 6. I didn't even realize it was allergy season, because that's how much I haven't been affected by it lately in my adult life. But I mean, I still have other allergy issues, like my skin issues and whatever, and certain antibiotics. But like, in terms of like my allergies being disrupted by like dust and pollen and dairy is a major factor. Dairy is a regular thing, but like for me to get full-blown sick though, it's been rare these days. But this definitely cleared it up really fast. So see, it's not COVID, guys, it's my allergies, okay? Relax. But yeah, I came on here to talk about the juice cleanse. So the juice cleanse, right? So people are asking me about on Instagram. Basically what it is just you can do your Googles and research it, but it's just basically drinking your food instead of eating solids. So by drinking it, you give your body some time to reset, to cleanse, to detox, to kind of flush out everything, all the roughage and everything that's left in your system. It gets a chance to pass that and kind of get a chance to, not be working overtime like it usually does when we eat solid food. So basically that's what it does. I went through a nutritionist this time around. If you've been on my vlog before, you know that this is not my first time doing a juice cleanse. I've lost 5 pounds so far. My goal is 10, and he says that I can get 10 in a week, so that's the goal. But yes, so yeah, he basically did all the juices for me. Today is actually a juice day for me, which means that I drink juices right throughout the day. I just finished one of them. I had a green juice earlier, and then I had this. I'm actually late on my schedule of drinking these juices. I'm actually supposed to be on my 4th juice by now, and I'm on my 2nd. You guys know I struggle with this already, so it's really been forcing me to be on track. I fallen off today, but I'm trying. 2 juices isn't good because that's not enough calories for the day, but I'm gonna have a green juice after this. Probably in the next half an hour I'm gonna have a green juice, and then yeah, so so basically what it does is just you drinking juices for like a certain amount of time to give your body a reset, to cleanse, to detox, whatever the reason is for you to drink it. To lose weight, it's a very popular thing to do if you want to lose weight as well, because you lose it pretty fast. But the nutritionist recommended that I did it for a week, but also not to drink straight juices every day. So basically today is a juice day for me, so all I've consumed all day is juices, and then tomorrow I'll consume solids and juices, but the solids are very specific things, or I can eat regular food, but it has to be very small portions, so basically half of the amount I would usually eat. I have not been that hungry. I mentioned being hungry on Wednesday, but on Wednesday I think I don't remember what was I doing straight juices on Wednesday. I think I was, but I wasn't doing it properly. But then for the past 2 days I have not been hungry. The only time I get hungry is like in the nights, like around 9 o'clock, because that's usually when I'm eating and my juices stop at 7. So around 9 I'll get hungry again, but I just ignore it and go to bed. But that's the only thing. I'm not hungry throughout the days. I'm not hungry right now. So yeah, if you want more information, you can do your Googles, research about doing a juice cleanse. If you are interested in using the guide that I use, you can send me a message on Instagram and I will connect you with him. I'll ask his permission to do that, and you guys can just contact him through me on Instagram. So thanks for watching the vlog. If you're new here, subscribe. Welcome to my Vlogmas. I'm so excited, guys. You don't even understand, because there's so many, like, so y'all don't even understand. There's so much content coming. Y'all not ready. And I'm not even gonna give you any sneak peeks or ideas. Wait, no, I'm lying. I'm gonna give you guys an idea. Just know that it's content y'all been asking me for a couple months now, and I've been kind of slow on it, so just know that's what's coming. But yeah, I'm excited, so look out for that. And leave a like for this video. Subscribe if you're new here, please and thank you. If you're returning and you haven't subscribed, what you doing? Subscribe. Thank you. And leave a comment below. Bye, guys.